a lovely, beautiful afternoon on the English coast. Yes, we are here on Mersey Island doing another video. Welcome back to the Paul Holden Details channel. Now, this week's video, we're going the accessory route this week. Had a message on my Instagram page from a guy saying, have you ever tried one of these? An auto nozzle. I had to look these up because I didn't even know they existed. If anyone's ever seen one of these, put a comment in under the video. This is a nozzle which connects to your Nilfisk. I think you can get these for Karchers. Not too sure on that. Did do a little bit of research, couldn't really find out too much about them. If you've got a link for the Karcher one, bung it in underneath this video. So this is an auto nozzle. What's it do? Well, the standard nozzle produces a jet, as it were, to rid your car of dirt, grime, snow foam, APCs, you name it. This produces like a triangular fan which covers the car in a very different way. It produces a nice big fan of water covering a wider area, so when you're snow foaming or APCing or doing your wheels, it just covers a bigger area and it's slightly safer. Not that these aren't safe, but the reason I actually got this is for the BMW. The BMW isn't here at the moment, it's in the garage. It will be coming back on the channel very, very soon. The reason I got it from the BMW is because the BMW has very, very slight lacquer damage on the paint. I didn't want to use this just in case I blew the lacquer. Yes, it will be getting repaired at some stage, but needs must. Got one of these just to make sure, but I want to see what this does as far as ridding the snow foam on the side of my Skoda behind me. So without further ado, this attaches to the lance and see what this thing does compared with this. We'll do a quick 50-50, shall we? Let's crack on. So before we start the comparison with the nozzles, this is Whack Products Snow Foam. Just under 100 ml of it, the cherry variety in here. This is more the valeting range of products. You're going to see these coming up on the channel very soon. I've got a full review on some of their products to do. There's a very, very quick demo. This is a quick coat of snow foam just to show you the two nozzles on the Nilfisk. So the first one is the standard one. It's one I've been using for a long, long time. You do under the arches, you can do the wheels, go up and down it, take your snow foam off, take your APC off. Obviously, it's quite a narrow beam of water that comes out there. Beam, probably the wrong word. Jet, should I say. Very effective. And then you switch to this one. Now obviously the pressure is slightly different. Same amount of pressure in the machine, but how the water is delivered is very slightly different in the fact it comes out as a big fan. Now depending on how well your car is prepped, if you're taking off really grubby stuff, you may want to switch back to the other nozzle, but this is still highly effective because it covers a bigger area. And that's it. That is the 50-50. Make your own minds up. If you've got one of these, put your comments in under the video. Well, a very, very quick video this week. If you like these quick videos, these quick reviews, do let me know. If you don't like them, then let me know as well. So what do we think of this auto nozzle? Well, it's got its place. If you've got really stubborn, grubby wheels, for example, this may not blast all the muck off. For instance, if you're doing around the tyres, under the arches, you need, wherever it's gone, somewhere around here, you need the other nozzle, the standard nozzle you actually get with the Nilfisk. But for taking foams off, APCs, obviously we've only just done the side of the car just to demonstrate the pattern. You can obviously adjust this, you know, you can have it going like vertical fan, horizontal fan, whatever vehicle you're doing, whatever you find easiest. It's not so harsh as the original nozzle which you get in the kit. That's not to say that's not safe. It's very, very safe. I've used this pressure washer for a number of years now, 3 or 4, 5 years I think I've had it, touch wood. And it's been fine apart from on the side of it, but you're very careful on the Nilfisk models where the wire goes into the side of it, I think I've mentioned this on a vlog before, not on YouTube, it chafes. If it chafes, the wire will snap. Don't think the actual pressure washer is knackered. You can take these apart, get some Torx head screwdrivers, and you can take these things apart, and you'll probably find that the wire is just broke or come loose. It's an easy fix, so don't throw it away. Getting a bit sidetracked here, but that's a little tip for you. So this thing I managed to find, originally it was on Amazon. I paid about $13.50 for it, and then got a message from my dear friends, the detailing detectives, and they said go to the clean store. I think it's £7.50 plus delivery. So excuse me while I'm sweating and basking in this glorious heat. So that's the price. So hit up the clean store, unless you've got an Amazon account and want to get it extra quick. That's the auto nozzle for the Nilfisk model. As I said before, I'm not too sure on the Karcher range because I'm owning this machine. So very, very quick review. While we're here, bit of a channel update. You might have seen obviously some car shows creeping in. Don't worry, this is just my passion for cars, all things clean. Trying to broaden the horizons a little bit with the channel. We have got some product reviews coming up. These guys, Whack products from Palm Automotive. I've got a nice range of products from these guys to test. So that's Whack products, or WAC. And also DA Car Care. These are from A Passion for Detailing. And all in litre bottles as well. I've got a range of DA Car Care products to test. I'll put links underneath this video for the up and coming videos if you like. I'll just put links to their websites. You can browse them before you've even seen the video. Bit of a heads up. And Alien Magic. Got a big review with these guys to do. All coming up this year. Not too sure when they're going to be. Don't panic. We're not going to just do like car shows and just keep flicking off and doing different stuff all the time. It's just this time of year there's loads and loads of car meets on. I do try and get to as many as I can, try and visit these car shows and take the camera with me. Couldn't do the Double Logic one because I was actually working on that one. If you check out the Instagram posts, you'll see why. Very, very busy day. Anyway, thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Please like, share, most importantly subscribe, and give it a thumbs up if you like the video. We'll see you on the next one.